Have you ever noticed something frustrating? You can speak politely, you can even be right, and still, some people dismiss you as if your words carry no weight. Most believe respect comes from being louder, from winning arguments, from dominating the room. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. Power doesn't live in volume, it lives in calm precision. Words that land because you are not begging to be heard. Here are 5 phrases that instantly inspire respect. Stay with me, because phrase number 3 is the fastest way to flip a heated moment without raising your voice. Use it once, and you'll feel the shift immediately. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one." Respect isn't something you demand. It's something you demonstrate through self-control, boundaries, and the way you carry yourself when others lose theirs. Phrase 1. I understand your point, but I disagree. This sentence is calm, but it's not weak. Most arguments break down not over facts, but over ego. The moment you say you're wrong, people stop listening and start defending. By starting with, I understand your point, you disarm the ego. You show you listened. You show you're not insecure. Then you finish with the line that matters. But I disagree. No attack, no apology, just a clear boundary. Example. In a meeting, someone pushes a plan you know will fail. Instead of staying silent or starting a fight, you say, I understand your point, but I disagree. Your voice stays steady, your face stays calm, and suddenly people look at you differently. Phrase number 2 is only 5 words, but it can stop disrespect in its tracks. If you find these insights helpful, consider subscribing. It's a small click, but a meaningful way to support this journey as we walk toward a better life, one day at a time. Phrase 2. I don't find that acceptable. This is one of the most powerful boundaries you can set because it's clean. When someone crosses a line, most people laugh nervously, stay quiet, or play along to avoid tension. In that moment, they teach others it's okay to disrespect them. But if you say, I don't find that acceptable, the dynamic changes instantly. It doesn't argue, it doesn't explain, it simply marks the line. Example. At dinner, someone makes an offensive joke and expects you to smile. You pause, you breathe, you look at them and say, I don't find that acceptable. No drama, no speech, just dignity. Here's the hidden benefit. When you say it, you often give others permission to voice what they were afraid to say. Phrase 3. Let's talk when we can do so respectfully. This is the Stoic way to refuse chaos without running from it. There's a moment when a conversation stops being productive. Voices rise, people interrupt, words turn into weapons. Most people make one of 2 mistakes. They match the aggression or they retreat feeling powerless. This phrase creates a third option, control without conflict. You don't say it with anger or as a threat. You state it as a principle. Let's talk when we can do so respectfully. Suddenly, the rules change because you've refused to play on their terms. Example. A co-worker talks over you, trying to dominate the room. You don't compete. You don't raise your voice. You pause and say, let's talk when we can do so respectfully. Then you stop. That silence is not weakness. That silence is the message. I will not be dragged into this. Phrase 4. I'd prefer not to continue this conversation. Not every battle deserves your energy. Not every debate deserves your time. Some people argue to understand. Others argue to win. Those who argue to win will keep moving the goalposts until you're exhausted. Stoicism calls protecting your peace an act of wisdom. This phrase is how you close the door without slamming it. I'd prefer not to continue this conversation. No anger, no insult, no lengthy explanation. You are not running away. You are choosing yourself. Example. Someone keeps provoking you, repeating the same points, trying to pull you into an emotional mud. You sense the trap. You step back and say, "I'd prefer not to continue this conversation." You leave with your dignity intact. Here's the truth. Walking away from disrespect is not losing. It's refusing to waste your life on noise. The final phrase is the key to staying independent when pressured by others' opinions. Phrase 5. That's your opinion, and I respect it, but I don't share it. In today's world, everyone has an opinion on how you should live, work, think, or love. Most people respond in two ways. They fight endlessly, or they bend and pretend to agree to keep the peace. The Stoic path is different. You can respect someone without surrendering yourself. That's your opinion, and I respect it, but I don't share it. It's firm without being hostile, polite without being submissive. Example: a family member pressures you to live their way. A colleague insists you follow their method. You don't argue point by point. You don't apologize for thinking differently. You simply say, "That's your opinion, and I respect it, but I don't share it." And you remain steady. Why these phrases work? Each shares 3 Stoic qualities. They separate emotion from reaction. They set boundaries without aggression. They come from self-respect. And self-respect always comes before respect from others. Here's the paradox. The less you chase respect, the more people feel it. They sense when your calm is genuine, when you're not performing, when you're not afraid. Final message. Respect isn't forced. It's earned through character. And character is built in small moments. The moment you hold your ground without yelling. The moment you set a boundary without bitterness. The moment you refuse to trade your dignity for approval. Choose one phrase this week and practice it once, not to win, but to become the kind of person who doesn't get pulled into chaos, because the strongest person in the room is rarely the loudest. It's the one who can stay calm and still be firm. That is Stoic power, and that is what we build here on Stoic Tomorrow. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe to Stoic Tomorrow to keep building calm authority, one conversation at a time. Now, comment below with your pledge.